Hello, welcome to this month's Viola's Flight Report, where we review what Vertical Aviation International is doing for you. I'm James Viola, the President and CEO of VAI. On August 18th, we celebrated World Helicopter Day. But here at Vertical Aviation International, we celebrate helicopters every day. And because people around the globe rely on helicopters to provide life-saving support, there is a lot to celebrate. Right from the start, Igor Sikorsky foresaw that the new invention, the helicopter, would enable rescues that had never been possible before. The world's first hoist rescue took place on November 29, 1945, and helicopters now routinely save people in trouble on both sea and land. I want to emphasize that it is only extensive training and a strong focus on safety for everyone involved that makes hoist rescues routine. After one family stranded on a roof by floodwaters was hoisted to safety, I will never forget hearing the father tell a reporter, "Once we heard the helicopter, I knew we would be okay." When that family heard the sound of helicopters, they heard the sound of service. Aerial firefighting is another way our industry serves. Whether they carry water, firefighters, or supplies, crews from our industry do their best to limit loss of life and property. And sometimes that service comes after the fire is out. You may have heard how crews from Hawaii Air Tour operators provided humanitarian support after the 2023 Maui wildfires. Seeing overwhelming need, these men and women rushed to airlift food, water, clothing, and even baby formula to their neighbors. These are just a few examples of the great work that our industry does every day all over the world. And VAI is here to support you in that work. One way VAI assists our members is through industry advisory councils. These councils, formerly called working groups, provide a ready channel for exchange of news and information between VAI and its members. Some IACs focus on a particular sector, such as aerial firefighting or utility work, and some focus on activities common to all aviation operators, such as safety. All VAI members are eligible to join an IAC. To learn more, you can reach out to the VAI staffer who you normally deal with, or simply email me at president@verticalavi.org. Another way VAI supports the industry is by hosting events that bring us together. For example, our upcoming Aerial Work Safety Conference is a tentpole event for several industry sectors, including aerial firefighting, utility patrol, and construction, and those operating restricted category aircraft. The conference will feature presentations by the U.S. Forest Service and Department of Interior personnel, as well as information on safety enhancements and risk management. There will also be breakout sessions for the individual industry sectors. Most importantly, attendees will have the chance to network and forge new connections, which is so important in our industry. The Aerial Work Safety Conference will take place in Boise, Idaho in November, and you can register online on our website. VAI is hosting a similar event for air tour operators in September in Hawaii. If you are in that sector and want to grow your network and show your commitment to safety and excellence in air tour operations, I invite you to attend. You can find more information and register online at our website. Well, that wraps up this month's edition of VFR. Please email me with your comments or suggestions on how VAI can provide you with better service. Until next time, fly safe, stay safe, and keep powering up.